So this is about decimals, fractions and percentages. Basically it's about ordering things in a way that makes correct. So there's a number of processes that you need to follow with this. So the first thing I think you need to do is to make sure you've got a calculator with you. So if you were to order the numbers 5, 8, 3 and 2 into the largest, you would know it would go 2, 3, 5 and 8 because you know that was how it would work. And if you've got numbers that were 0.56, 0.067, 0.6 and 0.65, again you would look for the smallest number. Now the smallest number is this one because there's a 0 there, so 0.67. Then you'd look for the next number, which would be this one, because if you look at that, imagine that's 60, so that would be 0.56. And then because you know that's 60, because you're adding a 0 on the end of that, 0.6, and then you've got 0.65. So to order numbers isn't massively complicated. If you were to order fractions, for example, let's say you'd got a half, 2/3, 2/5 and 3/4, what you would need to do is you'd need to put them into a different way. You'd have to find either a common denominator or convert them into a numerical form, which is with decimals. So let me show you the dead easy way of doing that. What you would do is you do 1 divided by 2 on a calculator, which is 0.5. You do 2 divided by 3, which is 0.6 recurring. You do 2 divided by 5, which is 0.4, and you do 3 divided by 4, which is 0.75. So now we can see that this is the smallest, followed by a half, followed by a sixth, followed by 3/4. So again, all I did was I simply on a calculator did 3 divided by 4, which gives me 0.75. Now, if you were working on the logic of how do you make those percentages, all you simply do is you have these numbers and you times them by 100. So this would be 50%, this would be 66%, because remember it's 6.66 recurring. This would be 40%, and that would be 75%. So to order this, you need to convert them into decimals by dividing that by that, 1 divided by 2. Then you can arrange them, and if you needed to make them into percentages, you simply do that divided by that times 100, and that is simple maths.